Meaning of houseroom.
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 Houseroom. The word houseroom has two meanings. Space for accommodation in a house. This is the original meaning of the word, and it is still used in this sense today. For example, you might say that a large house has plenty of houseroom for a large family. To allow something or someone to remain in a place. This meaning of the word is more figurative, and it is often used in a negative sense. For example, you might say that you wouldn't give that vase houseroom because it is ugly.